Hey there, welcome to Travelers Backpacker. This is your Nikhil. Today we are at Cochin. So last night I got checked into Radisson Blu, which is in Ernakulam, Cochin. So today we plan to go towards Fort Kochi. And right now I just booked for a cab. I'm just waiting for it. And it was a pleasant stay over here. And I'll be staying for one more night and we'll be seeing across Cochin. Tourism, and we have a lot of things to do over here, so we are going to experience each and everything in Cochin. And right now I'm heading to the boat jetty, which is near Ernakulam, the main city, the bay, and from there we'll be heading to Fort Cochin. And let's see the view. And this is where the hotel is. This is my hotel, and this is the entrance of the hotel, the Radisson Blu. And thank you TripAdvisor for giving me this opportunity, and the Bone Voyage Academy for sponsoring this trip. And this is going to be awesome. And I don't know, I might be traveling abroad too, so very soon we'll be starting the journey from Cochin itself. So let's see you at the destination. So guys, finally we got onto the cab right now. So they picked us, so we are heading to the Fort Cochin, and we're gonna look out the views, and there's gonna be a lot of things which we are gonna explore today. I'm excited too, so let's get into the journey. Let's our journey begin over here in God's own country once again. There is a metro in the city too, Cochin Metro, and we are gonna experience that too today. So let's see how it's gonna be. And this is like another day, a pleasant day today. I just woke up a little late. Last night I was so tired, and I was supposed to edit video, so I just was editing some video, and thought let me wake up a little late. I woke up around 7 and had my shower, had good breakfast. We had a good so after having the breakfast though, so I had a little bit of work to do, some works with embassy, and I completed the work. And right now I'm heading towards Fort Cochin, so we'll be experiencing a lot of food as well. We just arrived to the boat jetty, so we are heading out to board the boat towards the Fort Cochin. And let's get in. It's very hot today. It's gonna be good, so let's see where's the boat jetty gonna be. I'm gonna ask them where's they have a stand behind me. And it's pretty hot, guys. It's all hot over here too, very humid. We're heading over there. Hard to know. So we're just heading to the boat jetty. We're gonna board the boat, and it's gonna be awesome, guys. Stay tuned, and we're gonna come up with a lot of visuals. And I'm gonna take the ticket, and then we'll be proceeding on to the boat. Let's see how much it's gonna cost me at. All right, let's walk. So guys, this is the boat terminal where we are going to take the ticket to go to the Fort Cochin. Let's get the ticket, and then we'll be proceeding to the boat jetty, and let's board the boat. Guys, it just cost me 6 rupees towards Fort Cochin. So we are going to start our journey. You can see behind, this is the boat jetty, and this is where the boat stops, and they have the means of transportation from island hop on and hop off from here to there. So it's gonna be great view. I hope it's gonna turn up in a great way. And you see people are boarding behind, and we're gonna get over there. Let's continue the journey. So guys, we are finally on board on the boat. Right now we are heading to Fort Cochin, and we'll be having a lot of views about it. And we're gonna see, because I didn't get any seat or anything, I'm gonna stand, and it's not gonna harm us out. So that's okay. We're gonna stand, and we're gonna head out right now to Fort Cochin. removing the mask because it is we have certain protocols, so that's why I'm just wearing the mask. Maybe you guys might not hear my voice, but also I'm trying my level best to give the voice capture. So it's gonna be good for you guys. So let me show you the ship standing over there. Yeah, this is what the ship which I'm gonna show you, which leads to Lakshadweep. This ship has like literally 4 voyages in a week. So if you guys want to book any kind of packages towards Lakshadweep, you can contact me. And this is what the ship is. This is MV Lagoon. This goes to Lakshadweep. Hey there, you guys can view a cargo ship over there at the port, at the harbor. So Wahai Lines. I guess somewhat it is coming from Japan or China. Oh wow, this is a cargo port. You guys can view it. So guys, this is Matanjari. So we are approaching the jetty of Matanjari, and after Matanjari we'll be heading to Port Cochin. So there is a middle stop over here. So you can see there are a lot of Catholics and a lot of Portuguese kind of designs of houses, and we are going to see more about it. So towards Matanjari jetty, you guys can see how they dock and the safety precautions which has been taken, and it's great actually. Everything has its own safety procedures and SOPs which gotta be maintained, and yeah, you see the guy who's hatching it over there. So guys, we are in Fort Kochi jetty right now, so we are heading out right now, and yeah, we're gonna experience more, and we are entering into the island. Let's see what can be explored over there, so stay tuned for that. There are a lot of people coming in. We took an auto rickshaw from here. We are heading to Fort Kochi, which is all about like 2-3 kilometers from here. So you guys have a view of the street of Fort Kochi. Finally we reached Fort Cochin, so I can view some Chinese nets, which is very speciality and which is very famous in this place. We are going to see that, and we are going to take an experience of Chinese net. Let's get it. So wow, this is a live fish, man. Live fish. Putting, you guys can come over here and buy this kind of fishes if you would like to. The minimum, literally different varieties of fishes. Wow. So there you can see it's awesome over here, and we have a lot of Chinese nets. We're gonna view it. That's gonna be awesome. And I wanted to pull the what else we can see, and I can feel the smell of fish because as it is a coastal region, and there's a net pulling job going on. So I wanted to pull the net. Let's go over there and we'll ask the permission and try to pull the net. So we'll show you how they work and how the work is actually a lot of souvenirs, guys. Lot of souvenirs. So let me ask them if I can pull the net. We're heading out over there. Fishes sold over here where you guys can buy the fishes and get it cooked. There is a cooking place across. We'll be buying some fish and we'll be having some fish also. So let me see. I'm actually looking out for certain fish and I'm going to buy that and we'll be proceeding for cooking. Yep. So it's time to view. Right. Guys, you see they have some salted mangoes and salted amla. They put it over here and he's cutting pineapple too. I'll come back and buy this. I wanted to being a great place and I already got the mangoes with chilies. You guys can have a look. I guess you guys are having mouth watering, so I'm gonna have it and now we're gonna enjoy it. So guys, finally we got some mangoes and I'm gonna taste the mango. You guys can see the mango. Yeah, see that? You see the enriching mango. Tastes very good and I'm gonna try this.
Give us the chili. Oh wow. It is so hot.
You can see the waves which is splashing onto the water. See the water coming in. There are so many kids who are sitting and playing across. So they're coming with their family and enjoying over here, which is a great asset for them and a good time for you guys also. And I'm backpacker, you know. So, and my life, I love to travel. You know, many people will might be asking. Many of my friends also asking, "Oh, dude, whenever we want to see you, you're not available in your place. We gotta see you on Facebook." So it's not like that, guys, because my work is like that. Because I work for airline, embassy, and I'm also a translator for many embassies. So gotta do my job also, right? Sometimes I'm not available. So you have my social IDs and everything with you guys. You can always contact me and I'll be in touch with you guys. When you call, I don't pick up the call, then just give me some time. I'll definitely call you back. If it's any emergency, you can ping me. I can. Guys can see the beach area over there. Let's head out. Guys can see over here the caution has been given. Dangerous area, do not take bath here. So make sure you guys don't do that. So guys, we got some local guys over here, some friends from Ernakulam. So these guys are medical students over here. We got a lot of subscribers and they are also from here. So what do you guys suggest about the Fort Cochin for the tourism people who are coming to the Kerala? So guys, what do you suggest for the tourists to enter into Kerala? How safe it is, Kerala?
Very safe place and very beautiful. You can come. God's our country.
Yeah. So guys, they're saying it is all good to come over here. You guys also know that. You got to take the precaution for your self safety and everything. So please do follow the guidelines of WHO and the state regulations. What is that?
We have good government here.
Oh, the government is awesome. So Kerala government, I appreciate you. And this.
Please do subscribe Travelers Backpacker.
Thank you. Hey guys, bye. Right. Kerala tourism. You guys are making the places. Thank you so much, Kerala Tourism, for giving such a great opportunity for the people coming over here. Guys, നമ്മളുടെ ചങ്കുകളായിരുന്നു, മലയാള ചങ്കുകൾ അടിപൊളിയായിരുന്നു, നല്ല സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇതാണ് എനിക്ക് വേണ്ടത്. കേരള, ഹായ് കേരള, താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. എനിക്ക് വേറെ വേർഡ്സ് ഇല്ല പറയാൻ, പക്ഷേ താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് ഫോർ ഇൻവൈറ്റിംഗ് മീ ടു കേരള ആൻഡ് ഡു സം. I've given my best blogs in Kerala. So hey guys, right now we are heading to buy some fish and we're gonna go get it cooked as per our style and we're gonna cook it out. So we are going to buy the fish and we're gonna enjoy the food vlog too. So we're gonna do that right now. And let me show you how it's gonna taste. Okay. So guys, finally I got some in the coconut. I want to have it right now. I'm so thirsty. Wow, it's so relaxing and so enriching, you know, so fresh coconut water, you know. Wow, having coconut water, I saw the cargo ship which is cruising out. So we saw this which was they were getting loaded over there. So right now the ship is actually cruising out from the bay of Kochi port and it is getting into the Arabian Ocean. Wow, what a fantastic view, guys. You see the waves coming out? It's very fast and enriching. So guys, finally we came over here to buy some fish. Cheta, in the fish sea bream. So I've bought sea bream fish right now, and I'm gonna get one, and I already took one. So see, this is what the fish is. This is what the fish I bought right now. So we're gonna have this cooked over here, and we're gonna do that. So
Make it butter garlic grill.
okay, so we're gonna make it butter garlic grill. It's gonna be good. So guys, I'm gonna pay that, and let's rush out for eating something awesome. So guys, we are going to have fish cooked, and we're gonna eat it. So we're heading out. Uncle is actually taking me. So let's go and have some food. I'm literally So guys, we have come to eat some food. So we are in this restaurant. We have, like, when you come over here, if you want to purchase any fishes from the market, and you can come over here, please do bargain while buying the fish. So I got it for 300 rupees. It was about like 700 grams, but I did bargain, so I told 400. But when I spoke for 200 rupees, he didn't give me up. So I spoke to him, and right now the fish is getting ready. They're cleaning the fish. Once they start cooking, I'll show you how they cook the fish. So I have set the masala, how to put it, and how to marinate. So they're going to do it in that style, and we'll be having some more stuff with that. So let's enjoy the food video. Till that, stay. So guys, I got some lemon juice, lemon soda with salt. So it's very thirsty, you know. So I don't want to drink any other thing. So it's getting good, and that's why I'm just trying it. That's so great. We're gonna do that. So they're going to start preparing our food. So let's see how it's gonna taste. Hey there, finally they started cooking fish. So let me show you how are they doing that. So it's gonna be So hey there, we got the food already. So the fish is ready, and we have some egg fried rice, which is ready for us. So I've not taken anything much, but you can see my fish. Fish is already ready. And so they've cooked it pretty good. So and let's begin the journey of this food. So I'm gonna eat it right now. Let's see. We're gonna try eating it, so it's gonna be good. So I'm literally waiting since very long years to have this food, and especially the fish, fresh catch fish. So we finally got this. So let's see how did they prepare the fish, and let me serve a bit of rice. So guys, I'm gonna put some rice, soda too, and the fish is literally put some, and I'm gonna pull that. You guys see that? So I'm gonna have this. Wow, so beautiful, so tender, and you know, a great taste. I don't know. Different city has its different taste, and but when you come to Cochin, better come to this cave area, so that you can try the fish as you wanted to cook it. So whatever you say, what kind of fry or sambal or what kind of dish you want to do with the fish. They get it done for you, and you need to give. It's gonna cost you only a little bit, not much. But it's literally, Oh, guys, hey, juicy peas. You know, guys can see, I guess, juicy peas over here. Wow. So guys, finally I had my lunch and feeling refreshed. It was good. The food was good. I would recommend everyone to come over here. This is a good place to have food. Yep. So let me pay the bill. Let me see how much it is. It just costed me 350. Guys, you can check it out. It is 350. Not bad. So this is our Sondam Jihaz bhai. Guys, he is Jihaz. So whenever you come over here, Cuba restaurant, he maintains that. So if you come over here, I'm gonna put their description under, so you can contact them whenever you come to Fort Cochin. They cook it for you. It's very cheap rate, and however you want to get it cooked, you can get it cooked. So it is Jihaz. So we'll recommend this, and cheers for you guys. This is Soda.